Today I'm going to show you how to make this barbecue pork bao. Let's start with homemade barbecue pork first. Refer to the description for a complete list of ingredients. These are the frozen steam buns I use, which you can buy from grocery store. Soak pork in mild salt water and wash. Wipe dry the pork as much as possible, then cut into bigger pieces. Rose wine you can find in liquor store. Gather other marinades: Chu Hou Sauce, Hoisin sauce, Chashu sauce, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce, and brown sugar. Green onion. Pour all marinades into the pork. Rub marinades into the pot evenly with your hands to ensure marinades are fully absorbed into the meat. Add shallots and green onion. Refrigerate the meat for 6 hours or overnight. Preheat Airfryer at 325 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Place pork into the basket of air fryer. Do not overlap the pork. Air fry for 10 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. Flip the pork over. Air fry for another 10 minutes. Flip the pork over and brush marinades onto the pork. Air fry for 3 minutes. Flip the pork again and brush marinades on, then air fry for another 3 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. Mix 1 tablespoon honey into the marinades. Brush honey marinades onto the pork and air fry for 2 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. Flip the pork again and brush honey marinades and air fry for 2 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. The barbecue pork is ready to serve. Steam pork buns for 10 minutes. Cut barbecue pork into thin slices. Cut the slices into thin strips. Place barbecue pork onto each bun, followed by placing vegetables on it. Place 2 barbecue pork bao into 1 mini basket. Top with Hoisin sauce. Barbecue pork baos are ready to serve.